Hello, how to solve this problem? This is n times n times n, and this equals 8 divided by 1 to 5. We are solving for all values of n that satisfies this equation. So what we are going to do now is let's multiply this left-hand side, n times n power 2 times n. This is n power 3, and this equals 8 divided by 1 to 5. Now, here is to the power of 3, so let's express this in terms of power 3. 8 is simply 2 times 2 times 2. That means 8 is 2 to the power of 3. And 1 to 5 equals 5 times 5 times 5. And that means 1 to 5 is 5 to the power of 3. So let's replace them here. We are going to have n power 3 equals 8 is to power 3 divided by 1 to 5 is 5 power 3. Now, if you consider this identity, if you have a power c divided by b power c, this equals a divided by b raised to the power of c. Applying this identity right here, we are going to have n power 3 equals 2 over 5 all raised to the power of 3. So the next step will be to move this over here, and it becomes negative, and we equate everything to 0. We have n power 3 minus 2 over 5 raised to the power of 3, and this equals 0. This to the power of 3 is to the power of 3. Now, let's consider this identity in order to expand. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And our a equals n, and b equals 2 over 5. So let's apply this right here. We have a minus b, that is n minus 2 over 5 times n squared plus n times 2 over 5 plus b squared 2 over 5 to the power of 2, and this equals 0. From here, I have n minus 2 over 5 times n squared plus this is 2n over 5 plus this is 2 power 2, that is 4, 5 power 2, that is 25, and this equals 0. So from here, we equate each of these to 0. We have n minus 2 over 5 equals 0, or we have this n power 2 plus 2n over 5 plus 4 over 25 equals 0. Now let's solve this individual equation. Let's start with this one here. Can easily move this over here. I have n equals 2 over 5. This is my n1. So let's solve this other one here for the other values of n. Before we do that, we find the common LCM, which is 25. 25 divided by 1, 25 times n squared. This is 25 n squared plus 25 divided by 5 times 2n, 10n plus 25 divided by 25, 1 times 4, I have 4, and this equals 0, and this 0 is over 1. I cross multiply, 25 will multiply 0, that is 0. The whole of this will multiply 1, and we have it again. This is 25n squared plus 10n plus 4 equals 0. We can solve this quadratic equation using the formula method. And right here, our a is 25, b is 10, c is 4. Remember the formula, n equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So let's insert these values right here for a, b, and c. We are going to have n equals negative b, that's negative 10 plus or minus square root of b squared 10 power 2 minus 4 times a is 25 times c, that is 4. And this is divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 25. So from here, you have n equals -10 plus or minus square root of this is 100 minus 4 times 25, 100 times 4, that is 400 divided by 50. So from here, we have n equals -10 plus or minus this is square root of -300 divided by 50. And this equals, we can have -10 plus or minus, there's minus here, we can have square root of -1 times square root of 300 divided by 50. So from here, I can have n equals, this is -10 plus or minus square root of -1 here is I, times square root of 300, we can express it as 100 times 3 divided by 50. So from here, I can simply have n equals -10 plus or minus times I times square root of 100, that is 10 times root 3 divided by 50. 10 can cancel this once, cancel this once, cancel this 5. So what we are going to have is n equals -1 plus or minus I times square root of 3 divided by 5. So from here, you can have n equal, this is 1/5 times -1 plus or minus I times root 3. We have two complex values for n, that is n2 equals 1/5 times -1 plus I root 3. And also, at n3 equals 1/5 times -1 minus I root 3. These are the two complex solutions. Now we also have one real solution, which is this, 2/5. So the next step will be to check if that value of n will satisfy this equation. So you have check n equals 2/5. And the question remains times n equals 8/125. Let's insert this for n. 2/5 times 2/5 times 2/5 equals 8 divided by 125. So let's multiply this out. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 5, 25, 25 times 5, this is 125. And this equals 8 divided by 125. Left hand side equals right hand side. So that is it. Thank you. And see you again.